Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Bloom with Dr. Mahen. So today I will be talking I will be bringing you another episode on COVID vaccinations, and this special episode is about the myths or different opinions about these COVID vaccinations, which has actually prevented people getting their vaccinations done and getting this immunity against COVID-19 virus. So let's check out what are these myths or opinions, and are they true or false. And I know all this happened all of a sudden a couple of years ago, and it is fair enough. You have some questions about these vaccines, and also it is important to know if these opinions, if these beliefs are true or false, because the COVID vaccines are proved to give you that immunity against this SARS-CoV-2 virus, which actually causes lots of problems. And yes, there are side effects related to them, and those are quite rare. So it is reported in a very low numbers. So let's check out what are these myths or different opinions about COVID vaccinations. I hope this information will help you out to decide on whether you're gonna get your vaccine done or not. So I will put some links below in this video. Go and check the World Health Organization website, and the other link, it's an Australian website, which is official site. You can gather lots of information about these vaccinations, the vaccines available. So hang in with me in this video, and let's check out what are the myths associated, and are they true or false. So let's check out what are the myths or various opinions about these COVID vaccines. So the myth number one is the vaccine can give you COVID disease, and that is not true, because all doesn't give you the live virus into your body, just uses a part of the virus. So you cannot get COVID-19 because you had your COVID-19 vaccine done. So myth number two is it can change your genetic material or your DNA. So this is actually connected with this Pfizer vaccine or mRNA vaccines. And firstly, I want you all to understand the difference between mRNA and DNA. So the DNA is the double-stranded structure which maintains your genetic material, and mRNA is the single-stranded structure which manages or produces the proteins that you need. So DNA stays inside the nucleus of the cell, and the mRNA outside of the nucleus in the cytoplasm of the cell. So mRNA will never travel into your cell nucleus, and also the structures are different, so it can't alter your DNA or your genetic materials. So if you have any doubts, that's the basic knowledge that you need to know, which will resolve all your doubts. So if you have not taken your vaccines because of this reason, please go ahead, get yourself vaccinated and protect yourself against COVID-19, because Pfizer vaccine will not alter your DNA. And also this mRNA, once it's entered into your cells, it will make the spike proteins, and your body will detect this foreign mRNA, and it will break it down really fast and clear it from your body. So it will not go into your nucleus and alter anything with your DNA. So it's safe to get the vaccine. And myth number 3 is the vaccine can cause infertility, especially in females. This was because some people published that saying the spike protein produced, which is similar to one of the proteins synthesized in pregnant ladies, they thought that this specific protein can cause infertility. So that specific protein, which actually is linked with this implantation when you get pregnant, is not going to cause any infertility, because it has not caused infertility in women. Otherwise, a woman might get pregnant only once. So myth number 4 is that you don't have to wear a mask after you got your shot. But that's not true again. We all know that even you got your vaccines, still you can contact COVID-19. So you should wear a mask. And myth number 5 is the flu shot also works against COVID-19. So COVID-19 virus, SARS-CoV-2 and the flu viruses are totally different. So it will not protect you against flu. Myth number 6 is COVID-19 vaccine isn't effective against the variants. So the basic structure of the COVID virus is similar in all the variants. It's just a small change in their genetic material happens. So all these vaccines out there will protect you against most of the strains of COVID-19. So again, that statement is false as well. So all of those we discussed are mostly there's no basis or there's no ground to those opinions. So if you still have not got your vaccines done, please roll up your sleeves, please go ahead, get your vaccines, and it will protect you from the deadly COVID-19 disease, will reduce or prevent you needing to go into intensive care unit, will prevent you getting a chronic lung disease, will prevent you from death. So please go ahead, get your vaccines done today if you have not done it yet. And spread this, share this with your friends as well if they are reluctant to get their vaccines. I think we need to spread the word that these vaccines are preventing bad disease. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that video and gathered some information about these myths out there and whether they are true or false, and I hope you all got some idea now. And please check the links I've provided below, just check it yourself, see evidence-based information as well. So I hope this will change some people out there and prompt them to go and get their vaccinations done. So I'm gonna go now, and I'll catch you in another little video like this, and I'll see you again. Until then, take care. Bye bye.